we're gonna pick her up and go camping. They had to order the glass. Wow, it looks better than it did. I'll put a picture on of what it did look like. That looks much better than it did. But they had to order the glass.
Why? I hope that stays in. Okay, turn the power off.
See, they have a bunch of sites here. All these coaches waiting to get their windows fixed. See, there's the electric and water. There's 9 sites on this side, and there's, I would say, 5 more down there. Alright, we're going to head home and load her up. I'll show you the new window when we get it put in. So we're taking the coach down to get the glass replaced. We're heading down to the glass place in Hudson to finish up the job that they started. They had to order the glass, and the glass is in now. So we're heading down early this morning, and we'll see you in a little bit. See, there's all the hookups. You just bring your coach in and there we go. There's the hookups. We do a replace. Well, yeah. Rudy, where'd Daddy go? The dogs are just waiting for Daddy to come back out. Roo-roo.
Boy, look at all of them are being replaced on that one. Must be putting all the darkened windows up.
So they have like a little campground here. I know it's not a campground, but they have like the dog walking area right there. And then all the coaches have water and electric.
That's a name.
People out having their coffee this morning. And there she sits.
Anna.
All right, we're here to pick the coach up. And there's the new window. It's pretty. Nice and clear. All right. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe.
Go to our webpage, www.TeamTerryRVing.com.
And share so we get more subscribers.
See ya.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
We need 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye.